Some of our students in the technology class were recently introduced to the concept of solar energy. We started out by asking a question: what do we already know about solar energy? Students knew that solar energy was energy produced by light, primarily from the sun. Students also knew that solar panels were used to convert the sun's light into electricity. That led to our next set of questions. What do we want to know? How do solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, and can we create a solar-powered circuit that would illuminate a Christmas tree at night while storing and conserving energy during the day? So we had a brief lesson and discussion about the conversion of light into electricity, and students received a crash course in circuitry, most of them using a soldering iron for the first time, which they loved. Using solar panels, resistors, transistors, a diode, some LED lights, and an old cell phone battery, our students were able to engineer solar-powered circuits that would, as we'd hoped, illuminate a Christmas tree at night, but turn the lights off during the day. To incorporate the arts, we also built a gingerbread village to go with our beautifully decorated Christmas trees. This really rounded out the STEAM project. Many of our students didn't realize that we already have solar panels on our school. So this project was a fun way to introduce them to solar energy and kind of gauge their interest in the subject. To our delight, we had several students who wanted to do more solar projects. It is our goal to introduce them to the panels that are already installed on the school so we can teach them how to read the data that comes from those panels and possibly even maintain them in the future. It was so rewarding to see our students work so hard to create something from scratch, and even more rewarding to see them overcome challenges and figure out how to quite literally make it work. I don't know who was more excited about the projects, them or me, but one thing is clear: the future is bright for Redbird STEAM.